Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a few project shares for Beebeecrafts, and these are items that I received in the collaboration. So I will have, of course, Beebeecraft's website in the description. I will have my coupon code, which is GOSS20, and you can save 10%. And I always share that with Beebeecraft, if you spend over $25, you get free shipping. And you can use the coupon code because you don't need the coupon code if you spend over 25 because it automatically comes, the free shipping comes off. So that's a win-win. I will have all of these links in the description box. And if you're interested, I will have my unboxing because there's a few more things that's not going to be showed in this video that I received. And I will have my other project share video linked if you're interested. And of course, all the links will be in the description if I hadn't already said that. If you're interested in becoming or affiliate or collabing with Beebeecraft, there's a few requirements. I believe you have to have at least 100 subscribers on your YouTube. And of course, you have to make YouTube videos because so you can share your projects. So if you're interested in collabing with them, I will have that link because that's a separate link. You have to fill out some information and then hopefully they will contact you. So the first thing that I'm going to share is I made some dangles, some little dangles. And this little Christmas tree came from Beebeecrafts. All these beads are from my stash, but you actually got the acrylic pendant, this tree here. And I think you get like 20 in a pack. I don't have that pack because I may... y'all know I have a... I have a mess behind me, but I can't find the pack. But anyway, I will have it linked. But I think you get 20. I think you get 20 of these in the pack. So I just made up some little dangles. I put some little shakers in here. And I believe, okay, these two are the same because they got the same beads. So I did 2 of these. And I did 2 of these. All it is just maybe different color beads, a different color bell. Same gold chain, but I just switched the beads up. So I did 2 of these. And then I did 2 of these. And then that's the little green bell with those little beads there. So they turned out super cute. So I did those. And then I got this pack of Beadable pens. And these have little hearts. They're pink with little white and a darker shade and patterned hearts on them. And you get 10 in a pack. That's the barcode, but I will have it linked below, okay? And I just made these 2 so far. I haven't got into my... It's a little early for Valentine crafting for me, but that's what I had in mind. But I did make these. This bead right here is from Beebeecrafts as well. Let me get to share that. I believe it came in this pack here. And I think you get like 18 or 20 of these rhinestone. And these are like 20 millimeter. So that's where, and the other beads was in my stash. But these are the 2 pins that I made with these. So cute. And I like the slim beads because you can stick them back in the wrapper, but you can't with these beads there. So let me ask you, anybody out there that makes beadable pins, do you glue your beads? Because I haven't glued these yet. I would say I do, but I don't know. Let me know if you all glue yours. And I know a lot of people use the silicone beads, but these are the acrylic beads, and they're just as pretty with the acrylic beads. So I did that with those pins. The next thing I have are these beadable badge reels. And they come individually wrapped like this. So if anybody is familiar with Beebeecrafts, you know that they package their products very well. So I have always bragged on that, you know, when I would think about it. And a lot of my videos, they really take pride in the way that they package your stuff. Because sometimes the post office is not so nice with their packages. So these are the beadable badge reels. So what I made are some of these. So these are from my stash, and this one was in that rhinestone pack. And then I had this in my stash, so I just put it on there. I used some E6000 glue, and that is my first badge reel. So I think that's really cute. Okay. The next one is this one here. And I just pulled some colors out of this. And I put the beads. All of these are from my stash. But this one is actually a pendant. So I just put two little cute little 8mm beads up there on that. So that's really cute. So I did that one. And then this one is like a fall theme. And I just pulled the colors from here. Super cute. So cute. That's how it looks. They turned out adorable. And this one I did the red and black. Bad and Bougie. So I've got that one on there. So it's really cute. I am loving these. And then this one is a little different than this one. Same thing. I just tried to pull the colors. This one is also a pendant. So I just did some few little beads there. So cute. And this is another one of those rhinestone beads out of the pack. So really cute. So I am loving those. So that is my projects for Beebeecrafts. And like I said, everything will be in the description. And don't forget to use my coupon code GOSS20. And that is for 10% off. And I will have that in the description. And if you spend over $25, you'll get the free shipping. Plus, use the coupon code. So that is it. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.